done, but I'm just woke up and it's day 3 in Hong Kong. I just put on some makeup as well because I needed to do some work for some brands and it's all done, but I'm just gonna pop on here before heading to my auntie's place because I am gonna do the unboxing with you guys. I've been waiting for 3 days and I'm so excited as well. I hope you do as well. So let's do it. So here she is. Feels so weird because I've been waiting for this moment forever, and now because I've been waiting for so long and it feels surreal. Whew. Yes.
Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through the window. Cause that's what I feel like doing tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
We just had dinner and now we are going to Donkey.
One way ticket, I want you in my life.
You can get really cute envelopes, like red envelopes for Chinese New Year. These are from Disney. Endless options of Asian makeup products. Come on. Oh, 狗狗零食我有狗狗。你買呢邊個？咁所以百力滋嘅點解？買翻去試下。我想講咧 ，Black Mesa 都遮住對眼，佢會唔會唔舒服啊？啊！我哋其實我係成日撥起佢嘅，係影相真就撥落嚟咯。有雞雞啊！有雞雞，係喎，哇好多嘢睇啊呢度。Happy New Year！
Hi everyone, it's the other day and today I'm gonna go see my friend Mavis. I'm pretty lost at the moment because I haven't been home for a really long time and there's so many like new development, new buildings. pretty sure I am in the right direction. I'll show you guys later. The cafe we are going is so cute.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? Let's go. Use a little something. Go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like.
Hey guys, I'm just getting ready right now. I'm about to head out and see a friend of mine who I haven't seen for 3 years. To be honest with you, everyone that I meet up with, I haven't seen all of them in 3 years because of the pandemic. And yeah, it will be a nice catch up. We're gonna go to Hong Kong U. There's a little cafe in the neighborhood, so I'm gonna check it out and have some lunch. I'm just spending some time putting on some accessories. Here are some really beautiful necklaces that Ashley and Miyu sent me, and I literally wearing every single day. These pieces are amazing. This is the Zodiac Necklace, which I love, and my star sign is Scorpio. Spicy and mysterious. I would say this is like one of my favorites. This is called the tennis chain necklace. This is the heart-shaped necklace from the latest collection, and it is called Rewind. Mainly the collection is to remind everyone to sit back and relax and have a slower lifestyle and enjoy the everyday luxury. Really pretty. But yeah, this is like my jewelry stack, and I literally don't know what to use for my fragrance, but I'm sure it smells good. This is from NR Stories. Yes, and I'm ready to go.